Good morning or good afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you are. So, you just saw me make lunch. I made some BLTs, made my second cup of coffee for the day. It's pretty windy out here, so hopefully you can hear me. I am on my front porch. Today's Monday, but the kids don't have school, so we're all home. Feels really good outside. And I want to clean my porch. I'm gonna be vulnerable for a second and show you how bad it is. So aside from the obvious clutter that we have going on everywhere, that'll be easy to get out of the way, but what I want to do is pressure wash all of this and decorate our little doorway for fall. My husband is working long hours all week and now it gets dark early, so I just don't really feel like waiting on him to do it over the weekend. So I'm gonna try and do it myself and take you along for the ride. Let's see, let's get a good little decent before. It's very nasty. It rains a lot here where we live, so this stuff gets dirty really quick. All right, let's do it. Let's get it done. I think I'm done. My main concern was cleaning the concrete. I think the side vinyl looks okay, as good as it's gonna look. We've lived here for 10 years, and like I said, we get a lot of storms, so some of the stuff just is what it is. Like this paint on the ground, that's gonna be there forever. This is from when the kids were toddlers and would paint out here. So, some stuff can't fix. That over there just looks darker because it's still wet and this stuff has dried. And let's go to the spot. Well, I guess it's still wet, so it won't be a very accurate before and after, but when it's dried up tomorrow, maybe I'll insert that. It's probably not as exciting to you as it is to me. I actually got carried away and did part of our driveway up here, but I stopped because the sun's starting to go down and I need to get some stuff done before the kids have school tomorrow. I did manage to get dirt all over the front of my car, so now I need to take it through a car wash, but that was really satisfying to do, and I'm glad I learned how to do it. redhead. I love it. My husband is not exactly a fan, but he is like that with every big hair change that I do. We've been together for like, well, January is our 10-year wedding anniversary, and I've changed my hair several times, and every time he has a little adjustment period and then he comes around to it. But I don't really care if he likes it anyway, because I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So I'm on my way to Walmart again. I don't know if I mentioned that I filmed a grocery haul today. It's already been posted. It'll have been up for a while by the time this goes up. So I've already gone to Walmart once today. And now I have to go back again because I forgot a few things. So I'm gonna try to run in there quickly, get what I need, whip up some dinner, and I'm actually not gonna make, I don't know if I said earlier what I was gonna make, crock pot chicken tacos. I'm not doing that. I didn't start them soon enough. So I'm just gonna throw together some curry, and I've already done that before, and all you do is follow the directions on the box. So it's not that interesting. So I'm not gonna share that with you, but hopefully tonight or tomorrow I can decorate this freaking porch. All right, so I'm gonna run to the grocery store, and whatever the heck I'm doing after that, I'll see you there. Okay, we finally got our decorations down from the attic, and I have my pumpkins in a bleach bath. That way, hopefully they'll last through the rest of October.
And a special guest.
And a special guest. Yes, she's feeling better today. She had a stomach bug, and we're following our county school guidelines. She has to be home for 48 hours without symptoms. So she'll go back to school tomorrow. Thankfully, she's feeling better today. So she's gonna help me decorate. The bleach bath for the pumpkins, I just found like a quick 1 minute, literally Rachel Ray video, and hopefully it'll help them last. Today is October 18th, I think, and I want them to last through November. I'm not gonna cut them, I just want them pretty, they're pretty colors over here on the porch. So we're gonna look in here. I have no idea what I've got. We're only going to decorate for fall. I'm not going to really do Halloween. I used to be big on decorating for Halloween, but lately we've been going other places, so I just don't want to hassle with it, and I don't want to trick anyone to thinking, you know, they're going to come get candy when we're not here. So anyway, let's decorate for fall. Ready? Let's do it.
Help us get to 1 million, by the way.
1 million? That's a lot. I don't know about that. but we can try.
We can check.
Okay, so turns out everything in these boxes are more like indoor decor. What are you doing? Don't see this? Okay. She's moving around all the little pumpkins that we found. So the vision that I had for this, you know, it's just so sad. I guess I'm just gonna have to go shopping. What do you think about it? Thumbs up?
That's also what you should do to this video.
What? All I want is a wreath, a doormat, maybe a little stack of hay to put my real pumpkins on, and then some mums. And then I don't know what I'm going to do in this little corner right here, but that's what I'm thinking. So yeah, all this stuff is mostly indoor things. And then this is Ava's little corner that she decorated. Oh, very cute. Very beautiful. Very pumpkin-y. What is it?
Aesthetics.
Aesthetics. Okay. Let's, oh my gosh. All right. Let's go to the store. Sound good? All right, let's go. Okay, and we're back. I went to 3 stores and found everything to put together my vision.
Yes.
So at Walmart, I went there first. And apparently I waited way too long to try and get fall decor because everything is either Christmas or Halloween. There's no in between anymore. But luckily, I was able to find 3 of these little picks. They have berries, leaves, and a velvet pumpkin. So I got 3 of those, and I'm gonna put them in this wreath that I actually found in the Christmas section. But I'll just keep it for Christmas and then change out all this little stuff for Christmas stuff. Or I'll just leave it as is because it's already really pretty as it is. It wasn't cheap, really. It was like 20 bucks. But, you know, what are you going to do? I'm not going to make one cheaper than that looks better than this. So this is what I went with. And 2 little barrels of hay, which I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to use them yet. What's this dance? Your happy dance? I love your outfit. Your whole outfit actually is from Walmart. The jacket, the top, and the pants. You do a Walmart sleigh. Okay, and then I went to Dollar Tree and I got some more berry picks, some dark and light, and then some little white pumpkins. These are also velvety because I like a little contrast. I like some white pumpkins. And then some little clothespins to put those on the wreath. And then my Dollar Tree has a super spot or whatever it's called. So this was $5. I don't really care for the blessed thing. I'm not going to take it off though because I know I'm going to mess it up underneath. But I really love this color, this light green, and then this little wreath with the white pumpkin will match this wreath. So I'm going to put that in the corner. These 2 pumpkins are not for decorating. Those are for the kids to have fun and paint. And then the last place I went was actually Home Depot. And I got a pumpkin spice scented broom. Home Depot. Yeah, Home Depot. And then I got really lucky. They only had 2 fall placemats, or doormats left. And good enough for me. So I got that. It was only 12 bucks. I may go back and get a bigger thing to go underneath it. We'll see. But I think we'll have a lot going on, so it may not be necessary. And I got an orange mum, and that was like $16 and some change. So let's set it up, Beans. Here is our finished product. You know, it's not like Pinterest worthy or anything, but it's good enough for me.
Yeah, because we're a piece of garbage. I don't care if that's no TikTok song, I still love it.
Alright, there it is. Alright, Raymond's about to get off the bus. Ava's about to paint a pumpkin. Maybe Raymond will join her. And come here. Now after
Helping us get to 1 million.
after more than a week of filming this vlog, I think it's time to end it. Time to close it out. Yeah, people are tired of us, aren't they? I think
Yes.
yeah, I think they are. All right. Well, thanks for being here. Thanks for being part of it.
Yeah.
What should they do?
Subscribe and like to help us get to 1 million.
Yes. Like, subscribe, do all the things that help us. Thank you. We appreciate it. See you next time. Bye.
We'll see you back in your nightmares.
Oh my God, it is Halloween.